Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a super useful skill, how to edit the status of a task in ClickUp. If you've ever felt lost in your task list or wondered how to quickly show what you're working on, then stick around because by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to update your task statuses so your workflow stays clear and organized. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your ClickUp workspace. If you're newer to ClickUp, think of your workspace like your digital command center. It's the place where all your tasks, lists, and projects live. Make sure you're logged in, and if you have multiple workspaces, just double-check you're in the right one for what you want to update. It may take a second for everything to load, so don't worry if you see a little spinner. That's totally normal. Once you're in your workspace, the next thing is to select the task you're working on. Your tasks might be organized in a list, a board, or some other view, depending on how you've set things up. Take a moment to find the exact task you want to update. Sometimes it helps to use the search function or filters if you have a big project going. When you locate your task, go ahead and click on it to open up the task details. Now you're seeing all the info for that task, things like a description, subtasks, comments, and most importantly for today's video, the status. Now you'll notice there's an area showing the current status with a little arrow icon pointing to the right. This isn't just for show, it's actually your shortcut to editing the status. I know sometimes icons can be confusing, but this arrow is ClickUp's way of letting you know there's a menu you can expand, so don't be shy. Click right there and you'll see a list of available statuses pop up. Usually you'll have options like To Do, In Progress, or Complete. But if your team uses custom statuses, you might see others as well. Let's talk briefly about what these statuses mean because they're more than just labels. Setting a task to Do is like marking it on your map for future action. It's not started yet, but it's on your radar. In Progress is for those tasks you're currently working on, like rolling up your sleeves and getting down to business. Complete, of course, shouts victory, you're done, and now you or your team knows it's off your plate. Choosing the right status isn't just about staying organized. It helps everyone on your team know exactly what's happening at a glance, so you avoid confusion or duplication of work. To change the status, just click the one you want. The system will automatically update and you'll see the new status reflected immediately. That's really it, no saving needed, no extra steps. If you're ever unsure which status is best, just ask yourself where you're at with the task. And hey, if you make a mistake, it's easy to switch again. ClickUp is designed to be flexible, so don't stress if you need to adjust things as your project moves along. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to edit your task status in ClickUp and keep your workflow up to date. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want more tips about managing tasks in ClickUp. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.